Hi all. So this is actually the second time I am filming the how to log into NewsELA video, and this is because I actually found an easier way for us to log in. So I want to remind you that NewsELA is an awesome site that's going to give us access to a lot of different informational texts that we're going to be using as we continue learning remotely. So in order to log into NewsELA, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser. You're going to type in newsela.com and you're going to press sign in. Once it loads to this page, it's going to say Google, Microsoft, or Clever. You're going to click Clever. Then you're going to log in with your CPS credentials. You're going to type in your CPS username and password. Again, mine loves to ask me these security questions, so I'm going to answer them really quickly. Then it'll load, and as easy as that, you'll be logged into your NewsELA account. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to email me, contact me on Remind, or through Google Classroom.